Hello again. I bet you didn't expect me back this soon. It's love bug season here in Florida, and we may have bugs fly into the paintings because that's been happening every single time for the last few times. I wanted to make sure that everyone who ever wants to put iridescent pearl medium into their work knows that it is by Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine. What else does it say? It says stuff in other languages. I don't read other languages. So that's it. It's a 4-ounce bottle. It's ungodly expensive, but it's cheaper than the magenta. So there we go. Now, yesterday I made a 3-foot by 3-foot painting, and I made too much paint, and that's cool because if you use this sticky wrap, which I shouldn't have pushed in there, then you have paint to use, and you don't have to mix more. And that's my intention. If I can get the sticky wrap to go someplace I need it to go away to. Thank you, so I can reuse you again. Thank you, thank you. Now, my idea is to take these beautiful colors, and if I need to add something I will, but in the meantime, I'm going to do something everybody else is doing, because I've been thinking about it for as long as they've been doing it, and I haven't done it yet, which is to make a feather. And for that, I'm going to cover my canvas as quickly as I can, for yours and my benefit both, with my really big spatula, which I love, with a nice soft edge, so I don't have to deal with any metal BS. She didn't just say that. Yep, I did. Anyway, so I have probably more paint than I need there, but I'm thinking that if I push it all down to one side, I can dribble it right back into my pan. As long as I'm covered, I'm going to get stuff on my fingers. That's just the nature of the beast. I'm going to use my spatula to cover the sides of this and the corners. I'm going to run that right down there. And I really am trying to be quick because I hate people, I dislike watching people mix paint instead of actually creating something. So I'm going to try not to torture you too long with how I do this. I took a few days off, so I'm back to being nervous doing this again, and I'm not going to be able to do it for very long because I've been not having the best time trying to do it outside. Well, the weather's getting hot here. I had sweat under my eyes yesterday and it was unpleasant. TMI. Anyway, so now I'm very close to being done with this. And I am going to push as much of that down to one end and splash it right into my dish of paint as I can. I'm kind of hoping it's not going to run, but I kind of expect that it might. My idea is to do my feather a little different than everybody else's feather. And what other people are doing, or what I saw this morning that inspired me to do this now, I hope you can see all of that. You see there's a little holiday on my canvas. That's a negative paint area. That's a house painter's term. Yep, I admit it. I was a house painter for a little while in my youth. Quite a while ago now. Anyway, into the bucket with this. I know there's extra paint on there I could rescue, but I'm not going to take a chance. Now, here's my small spoon with a flat front. I don't know if I'm going to need the flat front, but my idea is this. Let's see. Let's find my spatula. Let's make a vague feather shape, the length of the canvas, just to have something to start to go by. Let's do the whole feather shape. I don't know if you can see that much or not. I'm going to give us a little stem down here. That works. And a little feather shape up there. I don't know if it's going to wind up being a pointy tip or not, but I do know this. If I don't put some brighter color in that mix, I might be sorry. So I just squeezed a little brighter color in there. These are my squeeze bottles, by the way. And I'm inclined to add some gold on top. Yes, I am, because I'm a gold freak. Not only am I a gold freak, this is my other favorite color here, right here. Yeah, that's by Folk Art. Folk Art makes a nice neon multi-surface purple. Now, my idea, let's spin this around, is to, instead of starting from the inside out, let's start from the outside in. Let's just lay some pretty colors, the length of that. Sorry, I'm focused. And see how that works, because you never know. There was a little silicone in this yesterday. I think it's going to work fine. I don't know if I'm going to lose all my colors. Wait, I'm going in the wrong direction. Okay. I lost all my pretty pink, but that's okay, because I think I have a really nice pattern and I'm liking it a lot. And I don't think I'm going to be using the fork I had on standby. Yeah, that's gorgeous. This might be really fast. I'm happy with that. Let's turn it around. Let's do it again. And I like that pink, so I'm going to do the pink again as much as possible. And bring it, dribble it right. And I'm really tempted, for your sake and mine, to try and use my spatula or my I lost for words. Palette knife. And I'm not going to use a black, what do you call this, spline up on the feather? I'm not sure. Anyway, I want to do something different with this side because it's so pretty. And if I go in, see what happens when I go in. That's just gorgeous. I'm happy with that. And I'm going to try a little forking. I don't think I need much. I don't think I want much, to tell you the truth. Alright, what am I going to do? I love that color just like it is. You know what that means to me? That means put more color down so I don't disturb that color. And use the color I'm filling in with to make my swipe with my palette knife or my spatula. I had a round spatula earlier, but I don't have it now. And I usually have wet rags, but right now I have this insignificant little not wet rag, and I'm going to use that because it's handy. My God, this is gorgeous. I'm so pleased. Kind of like the colors that were in there too. If I don't disturb them too much, I won't make too much brown. I'm not minding that bronziness. That's not bothering me a bit. I'm just going to go through here and take my fork and see if it creates the impression of a feather. I suspect it may, and I'm not unhappy about that. So we'll call this fast feather. And not only that, I'm going to go get my torch. And I'm loving that it's not bleeding off into the black too much at all. Except for that right there, which I would normally like because it's a pretty little cell. But what did I do with my torch? There it is. At least in my work area there's not too far to go to find anything. I'll miss it out here for sure. I could still make that end round, I think, if I wanted to. But maybe that's another feather and another time. What else do I want to do? Not much. Let's just see what happens. I don't want to lose that purple. I like that purple. That was so fast. It's sort of anticlimactic at this point. Ooh, the word of the day. Anticlimactic. Alright, I'm an abstract artist. It doesn't have to be totally realistic. I like it the way it is. I don't know if you like it the way it is. It is what it is. Let me check and see what you can see. Oh, you can't see all of it. Let's try that again. You can see most of it. Let's go the other direction. Yeah, you were already looking at that. Okay, that's my feather, my first feather ever, and I'm not complaining. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon, hopefully, because I think there will be more videos today. Bye for now. I got so many ideas. I can't stand it.